Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to remove your Instagram account from your Facebook account. First, open the Instagram application on your mobile device. Then, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Here, tap on Account Center. Now, scroll down and tap on Accounts to see the connected accounts. You'll see your Facebook and Instagram profiles here. Tap on Remove next to the Facebook username. Then, tap on Remove Account to begin. Now, tap on Continue to confirm. Finally, tap on Yes, Finish Removing. As you can see, your Instagram account has been successfully removed from your Facebook account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.